In this video I just want to show you how I use this apple peeler. First of all, I take this off, this protective cap off these 3 spikes. Then I rewind this anti-clockwise to take it back to that position so that I can put an apple on them 3 spikes. What happens is when the apple reaches here, this is the peeler and that's the corer. So now I'm going to force an apple onto these 3 cores, trying to keep it central to align with that hole up there and on here. There we go. Now I've put the apple on there, forced it onto them 3 spikes very carefully because you can end up sticking your fingers into it. I've tried to align it best I can with that on the end. So now I'll just turn this clockwise and you can see when it meets the peeler there. I'll show you. There, as it reaches there, it starts peeling it. And I want the central part to go through there to try and decore it. And this here is acting like a blade that slices through the apple as it decores it. Oops, you have to put the suction down to hold it in place. Keep going right through the corer. As I rewind it, it should then come off. See the core coming out?